Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, click on the square button and tap on the top left corner over here on floating window. Now you need to select one of those apps like Play Store, and as you can see now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to place it somewhere else, you can do that by holding this top line and dragging your app whenever you wish to. If you wish to make it full size, you can do that by holding the bottom line and dragging to the bottom. But you can also close this app right away by clicking on the square button and closing it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!